Well, howdy. I'm at Texas A&M University, College Station, Texas. That's the football stadium, Kyle Field for the Aggies. Aggie Land, this area is known as Aggie. This must be a bell tower, some kind of tower down there for the university. Clock tower, bell tower. But this is the military one. Talk all about the spirit. I did a video about that building, but all through to the left and to the right is the military walk with a lot of plaques and stories and memoriam, muster, traditions. Roll call for the absent. The university is very quiet. Good day and good time. But still, the parking, you have to have permits. So I'm parked off site. Aggie Muster. Muster is Texas A&M's most solemn and enduring tradition. A lot of war history, a lot of black history. This is, they have cadets here. There's a lot of history with cadets training for wars. The century-old oak tree is in the distance there. Really crazy wild oak tree. There's a, what is this? Texas A&M University Silver Taps. It's held the first Tuesday of every month. Tribute to every Aggie at the time of his or her death was enrolled at Texas A&M. So you got the trumpet and the uniform, coat, silver taps. Tribute to every student bodied Aggies enrolled in graduate or undergraduate classes. Time of their death exemplifies the Aggie spirit. Military walk is Dan A. Hughes, 1951. This is Donald Coward letter. 2 people were killed in an auto accident when traveling on a Dallas Corps trip in the fall of 1968. This letter's been read to every incoming freshman during fish camp to explain one of Texas A&M's most revered traditions. I think people probably hook up the whole story about the whole campus walking tour or military walk on their phone. They can walk around and listen. Have it guided, self-guided through their phone, I bet you. I wouldn't be surprised. So there's more plaques that way on the military walk and that way as well.